Alex Sidorenko, Head of Risk and Insurance at Serra Verde Group, and I've been recognized for Risk Awareness Week, which is an annual virtual risk management conference that I've been running for 6 years as a hobby of mine. It's an amazing feeling. I'm very passionate about what I've been doing for the last 6 years of bringing risk awareness and risk knowledge to thousands and thousands of people that are watching the conference. So it makes me very, very proud of what I do. So this is one big thing that I've bet on. Even before COVID, before virtual became a big thing, I made a big bet on virtual education. So I created probably not the first, but one of the biggest events that brings some of the best speakers from around the world that educate risk managers in how to better integrate into decision making, how to better apply quantitative risk analysis into what they do via this kind of online platform, which made it accessible to so many, like thousands of risk managers around the world, which I felt very amazed about, because I wish, when I was growing up as a risk manager, I wish somebody had done that for me. So I'm glad to continue sharing that story with other risk managers. I hope that the biggest message participants of the Risk Awareness Week and just risk managers in general take away from the event is that the real value of risk management comes when you integrate it into existing processes and existing decision making. When you start building your budgets being risk-based, when you start making procurement decisions being risk-based, when you start making risk-based investment decisions, that's when the real dollar savings and huge opportunities start coming in. So I hope more and more people recognize that you have to integrate risk analysis, not as a standalone process, but into something that the organization is already doing every day. It becomes this part of the organizational DNA of risk-based culture, risk-based decision making.